So there's something exciting that's going to happen tomorrow morning. A shower at a truck stop. And I was thinking it would be fun to take you in to the shower area, and we could take a look and discover it together.
Cash or card?
I'll do card, please. And do you provide towels as well?
We come with one towel, one foot towel, one washcloth, and I think one hand towel.
Great.
But if you need extra, she's usually in the hallway.
Okay, is there also shampoo and soap?
There's a dispenser that's on the wall. It should have shampoo, and then there's also bar soap that we put in there.
Terrific. So bar soap dispenser, foot towel, body towel, and washcloth.
Yep.
Terrific.
Shower 10 right back in the bathroom.
Shower 10. All right. And is there a timer that'll turn the water off? Or okay. Great.
And when you type in the code, just make sure you hit the pound sign. Just wait for the little click.
Okay, thank you very
problem.
much. Shower 10. Okay. All right, we made it. We're in. We are in. That was easy. That took all of, what, a minute? This is a very clean room. Look at this. Look, yeah. Better than a motel. I mean, when I think of a hotel where the bathroom would be this nice, it would be well over $200 a night. $14 for a fantastic shower. And look, there's the dispenser. Very, very nice. And it hangers, if it's hot, the fan, there's the exhaust. You can hear the cleaning happening outside. Very thorough. And look at that. All right. It's time to take the shower and report back to you. Well, that was interesting. The toilet just flushed itself automatically. I'm still in the shower, and they must have it set on a timer. Well, that was a scrubby dub fest. This is one clean Bluewonderlady. Virginia, mountain mama, take me home, country roads. Well, that was successful. Walking out now into the sunshine here in Florida. I don't remember what town I'm in, sorry. No idea. Going back to the Blue Wonder.
Well, this has given me confidence that I'm going to enjoy my journey even more. This opens up so many possibilities because I won't have to think about carrying the extra water or the privacy for washing my hair. This is a real game changer. And they clean the bathroom and wash your towels, which also in van life means that we're not having to carry around towels that are wet and having to think about how to dry them. I've tried, now I know what you might be thinking, oh, but there are the microfiber towels that everybody talks about that fold up really, really small and dry quickly. Those are amazing. They're great. However, I've tried them and I don't like how they feel against my skin. That's just me. So this is a really great option. And my goodness, John Denver, Country Roads, my favorite song. I wonder if your favorite song will play too. If you have found this video helpful and or entertaining, please hit the like button and the subscribe button and make a comment. Let me know what was helpful to you, what was entertaining, what you'd like to see more of. And if you have any tips for showering at truck stops, maybe a favorite truck stop or a favorite song, then let me know in the comments. And enjoy your journey.